wanadhani sisi tutateta, haja yao kututenganisha, hawajui mimi Romeo nawe ni wangu Julia. Muthigi wa igongona riria ritafanitio Ndaka-ini Gatanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'a kiumana na Aini riria hete aini a mithemba itiganite ya nyimbo kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi makigomanithio hamwe ni gikeno kiria kimaingirite ngoro amu riu ni marithukumaga mbeca nyingaingi kwambiriria mweri uyu wa mugwanja. Aini aya ona magicanjamũraga ageni kwa ihinda iraya makoretwo magikaya ni thithino yao kuingira mĩhuko ya andũ angĩ, na nikio ona korwo maũndũ maria mangĩenda matire marakinyanĩra maracokia ngatho ni kwehererio igoti ria marĩhi ma skiza
na makihitukia muini aneo 41%. Macio ni mang'otore mana hari ciringi koguo to us tondu turi andu ega na ni turi ngatho turona ni uru gwikwo wega ucoke ukire.
Watu wote wale wana nyimbo zao ziko kwa skiza watakuwa wanapata pesa sasa vizuri.
Uingilia mpaka CMOs zote zivurugwa mpaka wasanii wapate pesa. Wapi makofi jameni?
Dr. SK Macharia akiuga Mukenya wothe wina skiza thiini wa thimu yake akoragwo akirengwo ciringi imwe, mbeca iria ituranagira mamirioni ma mbeca no icokaga gutongia makambuni handu ha muini, akihinyiriria ati ihinda ni ikinyu thirikari yoe Aini no ritu niguo makahota kwiyandika kugerera iheo na taranda ciao.
They were actually getting only about 16% of their value. And remember, this is a song that somebody has created, has paid money to produce, and a little part is cut and is put on your phone so that when I ring, it is the what we call skiza. When it's put on your phone by a telecom, so that when I ring that phone, you hear that song, that part of the song. And every Kenyan who has a skiza is removed, 1 shilling is removed from your phone every single day. You should count that in a day, there are probably about 18 million skizas on phones. In other words, somebody collect 18 million shillings every day. If you do those mathematics, if you just give them half of that money, it will be in billions of shillings a year. And if you put 4, 5, 7, 10 billion shillings in a year in these young people, whether old or young, because of their work, put it in their pocket in a year. You don't need to do anything for them, but this is their work.
Music is an international language. It doesn't matter how you speak it, but so long as it has rhythm, harmony and melody, music speaks louder than every word we can say here today or anywhere. When you hear a beautiful Kikuyu song, you don't need to be told the words, the lyrics. You just find yourself standing up and dancing. So music and musicians may play a bigger role than even politicians, because music is a language of love, of compassion, and of partnerships, and moving everybody ahead.
We have started to realize kuwa tuko na talents mingi sana katika nchi hii, lakini talent zetu zote ni kama we have not been recognizing it.
Muikariri wa giti kamiti-ini ya kigina bunge-ini ya bururi Gladys Wanga niwe wirigite gutongoria ndereti ya kweherio kwa igoti riria aini marihagio, akirira aini no iguthii na mbere gutindikiriria ndereti ya kuninwo gwa turia nime turia tuhananagia nyimbo cia aini, undu uria ukoretwo ukihotomia uini guku bururi-ini na aingi ao makaga gwiting'oriria iheo ciao.
Chairman, tumeagana, iko katika process na tunaendelea mpaka mwisho. Ile amendment ya Copyrights Act. Asante sana.
It is of no consequence to them. Their art, because of hindering because of piracy, because of what. I have been in America, I have been in Europe. I know artists, particularly musicians, they all are millionaires. We would be sitting behind millionaires here. We would be there as politicians talking to millionaires if their work is paid for.
Lakini sisi ambao tuko kwa dunia hii, and especially wale watu wanakuanga na pressure mingi sana, talent yenu ndio inatusaidianga kupunguza pressure. Ukisikia hofu, wimbo, tunasikiza wimbo. Ukisikia una huzuni, tunasikiza wimbo.
Kwa hivyo governors, please prepare a budget ambayo mnaweza kupromote musicians from each county. Tuwe na competition kali ya wanamuziki.
Rĩrĩa mũrimũ wa COVID-19 waingĩrire Kenya, thirikari nĩ yagaire kĩgĩna gĩa ciringi mirioni 100 iria cia kũhũra aini njeki, iria ona hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩrĩ matinaga kwaria ũhoro wacio amu matirĩ maciamũkĩra.
Wanamuziki kwa sababu ya COVID, mulipata ama hamukupata? Mulipata 100 million. Sasa hiyo 100 million rais alisema hadharani tupewe, na ikiwezekana aongeze.
Kwa hivyo mimi nitahakikisha kwamba zile hera zenu ambazo mnapaswa kuwa mnapata, manake ninyi mnafanya kazi kama mwananchi mwingine na mnapaswa kulipwa. You are supposed to be paid for the work that you do.
Hatungekuwa hapa siku ya leo tukisherekea. Wasanii wametuambia hatua hiyo wamefurahia, lakini haijakamilika.
Miaka ĩrĩ mĩhĩtũku kuma hĩndĩ ya mathiko ma mũtigairĩ Kamaru, nĩrĩo aini aya mambĩrĩirie kuonania kwaga kũiganĩra na kĩrĩa monaga kuma harĩ iheo ciao, na kuma hau President Uhuru Kenyatta akĩmerĩra nĩ gũkũgĩa na mogarũrũku marĩa rĩu mambĩrĩirie gũciara maciaro, o hamwe na gũthondekwo kwa nyũmba ya taranda na iheo ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere gwakwo mwena wa Gatanga, ĩrĩa yongereirwo kĩgĩna gĩa ciringi mirioni 25 nĩguo ĩrĩke. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.
Twende kazi sasa. Zawadi mdogo. Nikula mtu wa gavana wetu. Zawadi na wewe. Hewe. Wapi nigelegele wakanda? Jina munomba ito. Tigwa kukwai.